Hello everyone, welcome to this month edition of our Changelog. A small changelog this month because we have some big feature cooking that we'll release in the next few months, but still we have a lot of interesting updates for you. So let's get started from the first one. If you remember, the last time in this changelog I showed you our one-click PDF report, which is a quick way to generate a PDF report directly from your campaign dashboard. And that was the first time we introduced reporting also for Google Ads. Now, if you go in reporting, you'll be able to choose if you want to create a report for Facebook or Google Ads. And for Google Ads, we'll support account level or campaign level with multiple campaigns reporting. And this time, it's not a one-click, but it gives you the full power of our reporting tool. So once you select your campaign, there is a preset template. We are adding more. And right after that, you'll be able to configure everything. As always, you have two tabs, one global and one campaign level. So you'll be able to create multiple boxes with different widgets and modules for an aggregated view of all the campaigns that you have selected. And then on the next tab, you'll be able to specify the modules, the data that you want for each campaign that you have selected for the reporting. After that step, of course, you have a preview and then you can save a report and either download it immediately or set an automated delivery that basically will send you a report each week, each month, whatever period you have selected to an email that you choose. So this is a great addition. Stay tuned because for sure we are also working on unified reporting. So we'll give you the ability to create a single report that will contain both your Facebook and Google campaigns all at once. But still, this is a great step forward for all those of you that are already using Google Ads inside of AdEspresso. I'm really happy that it's a lot of you because Google is going to be a big team for this year. And we really believe that the best way to add value for you is to give you a unified management of all your advertising across all the platforms. Cool. So let's go to the next one. We keep improving our new dashboard. We are receiving a lot of feedback for you. Thank you. It's amazing. And we are listening to all this feedback. Every month we are improving the new dashboard with the data that you need. So in this month, we have made two improvements. The first one is time range. Now on the upper right, you can select the time range, which was already available, but you could not choose a specific time range that you would set up. This is now available, so you can now choose any random time period to see the reporting for. That's the first improvement. The second improvement is just below the main graph. Before you only had the list of your ad account. Now, good news, we added two more tabs. The second tab is latest campaign. So across all your ad accounts, Google and Facebook, you'll be able to see the latest campaigns that you have created. So you can quickly jump there. And we also added a draft tab. The draft tab is very useful because you are always creating draft across Facebook, Google, and we knew that you wanted a quick way to access them to finalize the campaign and publish it. That's it. It's now there. Just click on the draft tab and you will see all your latest draft. Just one click and you are there to finish the editing. Next, another interesting feature for Facebook campaign creation. We know that a lot of you were using a lot of geographical information for targeting, and this could be really tedious when you had to insert a lot of cities or zip code one by one from the web interface. So we released a bulk upload for geographic targeting. So in step 3 of campaign creation, where you define the targeting, now you can select if you want to manually insert the information or if you want to upload a CSV file. If you upload the CSV file, you can insert one location to target for each line. Just upload the CSV. We will validate it, and just in case there are errors, which could be location that didn't matches or location that are ambiguous, you'll be able from the web interface to fix the errors, and there you go. Now you can quickly target hundreds of different locations with just few clicks instead of having to type them one by one. Quick suggestion on my side. Remember, make the information in your CSV as complete as possible. I'm Italian, I will just write Milan probably, but keep in mind that there are like 5-10 different Milan across different countries. So be as specific as possible. Don't just insert Milan, but insert Milan, Italy, or Milan, Lombardia, Italy. Say New York, insert that it's New York, United States, and so on. San Francisco, California, United States. The more complete you are, even with zip code like 94158, comma, San Francisco, comma, United States. This way you'll avoid having to fix ambiguity in your targeting, and you'll directly have your campaign live without any fixing. Final improvement. We had two different systems within AdEspresso where if you are an elite user or above, you could define white label setting. We unified them, and now they are all under settings. Just go on settings, select white label, and from there you can upload your company logo, your company name, and reply to email. This setting will be shared by both PDF Report Builder and our collaboration hub for agencies or for complex organizations that need an approval flow. Once you have set up and enabled the white label settings in the specific page, automatically on PDF Report, your default team will immediately get the logo and company name from the settings, and as well the collaboration hub will start sending email and showing the dedicated pages for campaign approval or for customer onboarding with your own logo, and send out the email with the company name and the reply to address that you have specified. So nice simplification. You don't have different settings across PDF Report and Collaboration Hub. And in PDF Report, of course, this will apply to the default theme, but you can still create different themes with different logo, font, etc. So that's it for this month. I hope you had a great Easter. I'm actually recording this before Easter, so but it's going to be released right after Easter. And stay tuned. If you are watching this on YouTube, subscribe to the channel so you'll receive notification for the next one. And again, stay tuned because we have some big things that are cooking and that will release very soon. Ciao, ciao!